Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In today's lesson we're going to continue from where we stopped last time. If you remember, last time we downloaded Android Studio. Okay, now after we've downloaded Android Studio, we installed Android Studio, and once you install Android Studio, the first thing you see is a screen that looks similar to this. Okay, all right. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to click the Start a New Android Studio Project link, and we select an activity type. Now activities are simply, well, the simplest way we can use in describing activities are screens that we see on our mobile phones. Okay, so I've selected empty activity here. Okay, I'm going to, let's make it basic activity, so I'm going to click next. When you click next, a screen comes that prompts you on a name for your application. So I'm going to name my application First App. Then we have to set the minimum SDK version. I'm setting it to API 23. This means that in users with Android versions older than Android 6 or API 23 will not be able to open applications. Okay, so I click finish and the app continues to load. So we need to give the application some time to load and build the project. Okay, so alright, and once it has finished building, you'll have a screen that looks similar to this one. Alright guys, see you in our next video. Bye.